Hello everyone. Today I explain you multiplication and division of fractions. So let's take one example. Just see here. 5 by 8 of 24. If the question is 5 by 8 of 24, then how do we multiply this one? The first thing is that first we multiply 8 into 2, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 5, 21 upon 8, multiply, in place of you write down multiply and then 24, 8 3s are 24 and you multiply them, you will get 633. In this way you can solve this question. I am taking one more example. Just have a look here. To see this question, how do we solve this question? Now, first we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So, first we multiply 10 to 1, then add it to 9. So, that means 10 into 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 upon 10. Of means multiplication. Here again 19 into 1, 19, and then add it to 1, that is 20. So 20 upon 19. In this question you write down numerator with numerator, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 90, 19, these are the same numbers, so we can cut. Now 10 and 20. 20 is a multiple of 10, so we can cut here also. So 1 into 2, so the answer is equivalent to 2 upon 1, or you can write 2. So in this way you can multiply these question. Now let's do the another exercise. So the next question is 1 upon 4 of 5 kg in gram. This time you have to find your answer in grams, but this value is given to us in kilogram. So you know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. I think this you know everyone. So how do we solve this one? Just see here. First we convert this one. 1 upon 4. Convert it into improper fraction. So multiply 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 upon 4. In place of you write down multiplication, and here we write down 5 kg. So convert this into a gram. So this time we are multiplying it. And now solve it. Now just see here. Can we cut 4 and 100? This is equivalent to 250. Now multiply 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 25, 625. So the answer is 625 and write down 0. So this is the answer in gram. In this way you can solve this question. Let's take one more example. So in this question you have to find your answer in paise. You know 1 rupee is equivalent to 1 rupee is equivalent to 100 paise. So it means 18 rupees is equivalent to 18 into 100, that is equivalent to 1800 paise. Okay. Now start the question. Now first you convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So again you multiply 8 5s are 40 and then plus 2. So 42 upon 5 of means multiplication, and in place of rupees 18 you write down 1800. So here I am writing 1800. Now what we do next? Here we can write 1 because denominator is not given to us, so we can write 1. So now you multiply 1800 by 5. Can we divide? Yes, we can divide. So 5 into 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 6. So that is equivalent to 420 into 360. So the answer is equivalent to, so the answer is 1512 paise. So this is the solution of this question. Now let's take the another module in which we compare two terms. So let's do the another question, that is 1 upon 5 of 7 rupees or rupees 1.50. Here you have to compare these two terms. So first I am solving this one. Just have a look here. 1 upon 5, in place of of, I'm writing multiplication, and here I'm writing 7. Just see this one, this number is in rupees, so there is no need to convert into paise, we divide it only. For 7 into 1 is equal to 7, 7 upon 5, so the answer is equal to 7, and that is equal to 7.40. So that is rupees 1.40. So which one is more? 1.40. You can directly divide it. 7 here, and then put the decimal and 0 here. 2 4 the 20. So that is same. So it is in this way you can find. So this is rupees 1.40, and here it is rupees 1.50. So which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So in this way you can write 1 upon 5 of 7 rupees is smaller than rupees 1.50. In this way you can compare two terms. Now let's take one more example. The another question is 5.7 of a week or 122 hours. Here you have to convert week into hours, because the hours is a smaller unit, so you convert week into hour. 1 week is equal to 7 days, and 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. So it means 7 days is equivalent to 7 into 24. So 7 into 24 is equal to 168 hours. This is 168 hours. Now use this one. Now let's take this one first. So here 5 upon 7 of, in place of I'm writing multiplication, a week. In place of a week, here you write down 168 hours. 168 hours. So can we reduce them? Yes. Here I am writing 1. Now can we reduce it by 7? That is 5 into 24. So that is 120 hours. So just see here, 120 hours. Which one is more? 122 hours or 120 hours? 122 hours is greater than 120. So here we can write 5 upon 7 of a week is smaller than 122 hours. So in this way you can solve this question. Now let's do some division questions also. How to divide two numbers. So the next question is 5 upon 8 divided by 2 upon 21. Here the division symbol is there. I explained you in my last class. Whenever the division symbol is there, first we convert this division symbol into a multiplication symbol. And how do we convert this into multiplication symbol? Just see here. First you write this one 5 upon 8 and reciprocal this term. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator, and put the symbol of multiplication here. Just see 21 upon 2. Now these all are in multiplication, so we can reduce or we can multiply them. Just see, we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We cannot reduce anything here, so we just multiply them. 5 into 1, 5, 5 to the 10, and then this one is. Convert this one, we cannot cut this one, so we reduce it into a mixed fraction. We convert this into a mixed fraction. 9 upon 16. So in this way you can solve these questions. Thank you class.